today we're going to remove the passenger headlight bulb on this 2016 Dodge Charger. Alright, on the driver's side it is working, so the passenger side is burnt out. There is a little access door here. Press this down. We're able to open this up. We'll move this over to the side, just like so. Now we'll reach in here and twist the light bulb. And I twisted it, I guess maybe towards the driver's side, like this. And here it comes. We have it out here. We'll disconnect it from the pigtail here. Just lift this little tab and out comes the bulb. And there you have it. And that is how you remove the light bulb on this 2016 Dodge Charger. To put it in, all you simply do is just connect it back in, put it in like so, slap it in. I guess it would go in an angle like this, and then lock it down, and you're set. But we're just removing this light bulb, so stay tuned for the next video of how to install it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.